welcome back to a new video. First of all, Happy New Year! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's already 2018. But you know what? Let's make 2018 our bitch. And by that, I mean, let's conquer our goals. Like, enough of these stupid New Year's resolutions that only last for the first 2 weeks and then we forget about them and we're back into our sad, miserable selves saying that we can never do better, but we can. This year, one of my goals is to experiment with my style and step out of my comfort zone a little bit. I want to feel sexy and empowered, and I've just been super inspired by some of these amazing Latina artists that I've been checking out, like Kali Uchis, Karol G, Cardi B. They're just, all of them are so different and unique in the way that they express themselves and their style and their talents, but in the end, they're all powerful, jefa type boss like Latinas that just don't give a fuck about whoever your opinion, and you know, they're just doing them, they're being happy, and I really want to, you know, I would love to embody that. I want to ooze sexuality without being scared to ooze sexuality. Do you get what I mean? Like, I feel like one day I can dress up super sexy and empowered, I'm gonna walk out of the street and feel awesome, but then the moment that some perv comments at me saying some nasty things from across the street, I feel like crawling into a ball and just wiping away my makeup and covering myself up, and it's like, ugh, like, why do I let this person ruin my day? I don't want to feel that way anymore. I want to be like these boss-ass sexy Latinas. I want you guys to join this journey with me as I interpret the makeup, hairstyle, and outfit choices of some of these amazing Latina chicas. First up is Kali Uchis. This Colombiana has been my soul sister from the moment I heard her song Tyrant. So her songs tap into her vulnerabilities in relationships as well as her power as a woman, and her beats are like this reggaeton, reggae, doo-wop, pop inspired beats that just makes me want to vibrate. Like, they're just so amazing. So today's video is actually going to be a makeup tutorial inspired by Kali Uchis. So I've been researching her, going through her music videos, her Instagram account, and it seems like she has this signature makeup look. It involves lots of highlight, thick eyeliner, heavy lashes, and of course, the signature lip liner. I love this look. Like, I'm gonna be really excited if this is gonna be like an up and coming trend in 2018, because I'm gonna be chongalicious with my lip liner, feeling fly. Okay, feeling fly. I did her signature lunar birthmark just so I can really get into the vibe, and you'll know that this is Kali Uchis' makeup. I've been addicted to this woman since like day one, so let's get started on this.
So this is a look that we're gonna base our tutorial off of. I found this on Kali's Instagram account. So first things first is we're going to fill in our brows. So what I see in that photo is that she has a pointy arch. So I'm going to fill in my brows and give myself a pointier arch than I'm normally used to. I really love the way my eyebrows came out after this tutorial. It's kind of like the you get to get in LA with these pointy arches. So here we are going to prime our lids to get ready for the gold eyeshadow that we're going to put on. The palette I'm going to be using is the Nudes by Maybelline, and I'm going to be using the very gold color in the bottom middle center of the palette to pat on my eyelids. For my crease, I'm going to be applying this beautiful bronze glittery shade. First, I work on the outer corners of my eyes and I bring it in. And then, last but not least, I try to bring it up closer to the eyebrows, as you can see. And we can't forget our highlight. So we're going to be highlighting the brow bone. I'm also going to, I don't think I show you this, but I'm going to bring it into the inner corners as well of my eye. So next we're going to be doing a 60s inspired cat eye on top, and I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise by Eye Studio. This is hands down my favorite eyeliner. eyeshadow, we're going to be using that same crease color and put it on our lower lash line. Now it's time for eyelashes. So I'm not going to show you the whole process, but basically what I do is curl my own natural eyelashes, apply a thin line of lash glue on the fake eyelashes, and then after 20 seconds of letting that dry, I start putting it on my eyelashes using my tweezer. Let me know if you guys want to see an eyelash application tutorial. I feel like I finally got the hang of it, so I have a few tips and tricks to show you guys. Again, let me know down below in the comments. Now that we're done with the eyes, we're going to be focusing on our face. Right now, I'm applying a liquid foundation, and I'm going to be blending it out with a blender sponge. For a seamless foundation look, I'm going to be applying this powder foundation on top of the liquid foundation. Next up is highlights. So what I'm going to be highlighting is my upper cheekbones up to my hairline, the middle of my nose, the middle of my forehead, a little bit on the cupid's bow of my lip, and on the center of my chin. Why? Because I want to look like a disco ball. That's why. Oh yeah, that's me. Next, I'm going to be applying blush. So I'm going to mix these two shades, which is like a light pink and then a deep coral. I'm going to be applying that. Oh no, I fucked up. Oh well, we'll fix that though. But I'm going to be applying that in the hollows of my cheek. And then to give my pale face some color, I'm going to be using this light tan kind of color. I'm going to be putting that on the upper parts where my temples are, also around my jaw, just to give myself some color, because right now I'm looking kind of like a ghost. I'm then going to be blending all of these blush, bronzers, highlighters together to give myself a seamless look. Now comes the fun part. So I'm going to be applying a light pink lip gloss, and then I'm going to be lining my lips using a darker rose color and a lip brush. Okay guys, so we've reached the end of the tutorial. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And if you like the premises of the video, how about you comment down below letting me know who's your favorite Latina pop star, superstar, actress. Let me know. I hope you guys like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.
I can't tell if I winked here on time. Okay. These eyelashes are so